How to use Miro Wireframe. Miro is a sophisticated platform that helps managing a project or combining between teams. Of course, as you can see here, don't start from scratch, dive right into Miro. Process mapping, you have retrosurfacing, whiteboarding, technical diagramming, customer journey mapping, and of course the famous wireframing. Today we are going to showcase you how to use and how to manipulate wireframing. We can see here the platform is very well organized and it is very clean for the first sight. Here, these are the benefits that you will get from using Miro. And here, of course, you can see there is a lot to dive in. We click on sign up free and you can put your email address. As for me, I will use signing up with Google. Here it is a disclaimer, guys, this is a email created for the sake of the video and not for the personal use. The platform is setting up itself. For our workspace, of course, here tell us about your team. Let's give an example here. We will write UI testing, okay. The option here, we will create it for design, of course. What do your job? Here you can choose your job. For me, I will be the executive. It's my first time trying Miro, I will say. I will use it for work, of course. Let's only fill the gaps, of course. Other, continue. I will skip this invitation for the teammates for later because I don't have a team for now. Here, let's use app wireframing, of course. Here, as you can see, the platform is looking amazing. It is smooth, really fast, and very responding. Here you can see the three screens, the phone screen. Here the sidebar of the tools that you can use. Here are, here is the wireframe bar. If you can't see it here, you can add it from the tool here, the plus here. For us, it is ready. Wireframes, we select, we click phones. You can use tablet or browser. For me, I use phones. Here you can rotate it as much as you want. I will duplicate this phone to make 3. Here I will drag and separate them like this. Perfect. Here I will start designing my 3 phones. I will make the arrows, the continuing arrow here, that will showcase that I am going from the first phone to the second to the third. These are like steps. I will create this second arrow here. Now I will, you can here see, you can add as much as you want from tools, cards, print, fetch, and more. For me, I will use only simple things like the shapes, circles, rectangular. I will use the circle for, let's give an example for my logo, okay? I will make a circle containing a logo. Here, I will choose the thickness of the outlines and choose the color. Then I will duplicate it for the 2 remaining phones so that they will be equal. Here, duplicate. Okay. You can copy the style or just duplicate it. Okay, I will duplicate it one more time. Here, this we'll go for the first one, and that will be for the third phone. Okay, we will adjust the center of them later. Okay, here we have more apps. You can click on it and search for images. For me, I will not search for image, but for an icon for Google. Here I will be creating an app for example, signing in. It's just a simple app. Of course, the concept is a sign in platform, or sign in page. Then the third phone will go by a forgotten password and how to reset the password by putting your email address and submitting it. Here I am adding the Google icon for the connection and Facebook. Then I will add the Instagram logo. Here, guys, this is the concept for logging in. If you want to log in with your email, or simply by connecting your Google, Facebook, or Instagram account. Here I will change the color of the logo circle. Of course, I will make a unified color here. Now for the logo, I will not make a big deal. I will just type my and duplicate the my here for the three phones. Here I will add a text, for example, welcome, at the landing page of the app. Here I will adjust it. Here we go. We are good to go now. I will add some frames to make the landing page look more appealing. I'm not good at designing, but I will do my best. Okay, guys, bear with me. Here I will extend this form to the board, to the bezels. Here I will create a triangle and rotate it. This is a simple design. Okay, I will just put some text here for the triangle and the rectangle. Here I will put join us today. Okay, now I will change the color and the shape of this text, of course. Now let's put a shape over it. So far so good. Okay, here I will choose another color, and the outline color, of course, it has to be the same for my case, of course. Here we have I will type or 2 points. Here it's for the login purpose. We will make a rectangle here, here. I will change the color as a unified color for our logo, of course. Now let's put an email icon for showing the users, of course, that you have to put your email here. And now let's see, I have to put the I. Yeah, the I here is like when you put a password, you can show the password, that if you made a mistake, for it or something like this. You know it. Here I will add a text saying sign in. Here I will duplicate and type password. Now I want to drag them up. I click on them all by pressing shift and move them up a little bit here. Then I will duplicate this password and type forgot password. Yes, forgot password question mark. That if you click it, it will take us to the next screen, of course. Here I will speed up the process for you guys so you won't get bored of this video. It is just showcasing the steps that you can do. It is very simple. Here I've put some text like password reset, submit, the button submit. And here we have finished our video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video.